slow cookers are a lifesaver in the kitchen, especially for those who want to create delicious, home-cooked meals without spending hours in front of the stove. One such versatile and easy-to-use appliance is the Elite Gourmet 8.5-quart slow cooker. With its ample capacity, user-friendly features, and attractive design, this slow cooker promises to be a valuable addition to any kitchen. Let's dive into a detailed review of this appliance and see what makes it stand out. The Elite Gourmet 8.5-quart slow cooker boasts a sleek and stylish design, featuring a brushed stainless steel exterior with black accents. This polished look ensures that it will fit seamlessly into any kitchen decor. The large 8.5-quart capacity is one of its most notable features, making it perfect for families or gatherings. The oval shape of the stoneware pot is particularly advantageous as it can accommodate larger cuts of meat, such as a whole chicken or a big pot roast, ensuring there's always enough to go around. The slow cooker is equipped with cool touch handles and a knob, which are essential for safe handling. This design consideration prevents burns and makes it easy to transport the cooker, even when it's full and hot. Additionally, the tempered glass lid with a cool touch knob not only allows you to monitor the cooking process without lifting the lid, but also ensures that the heat and moisture stay locked in, resulting in tender and flavorful meals. One of the highlights of the Elite Gourmet 8.5-quart slow cooker is its performance. The appliance offers 3 convenient settings: low, high, and keep warm. These settings provide versatility and control over meal preparation. Low setting, ideal for slow cooking stews, soups, and casseroles. The low setting ensures that your meals cook gently over several hours. This is perfect for tougher cuts of meat, which benefit from a slow cooking process, resulting in fork-tender dishes. High setting, when you're short on time but still want to enjoy a home-cooked meal. The high setting speeds up the cooking process. It's great for recipes that require a quicker cooking time without compromising on flavor or texture. Keep warm setting. This setting is particularly useful for keeping your food warm until you're ready to serve. It maintains the perfect serving temperature without overcooking the food. The slow cooker's power indicator illuminates whenever the appliance is on, which is a simple but effective feature to ensure safety and prevent accidental burns. The 8.5-quart capacity of the Elite Gourmet slow cooker is one of its standout features. It's spacious enough to prepare large meals, making it ideal for families, parties, and meal prepping. Whether you're cooking a hearty vegetarian stew, a tender pot roast, or a large batch of chili, this slow cooker can handle it all. Its versatility extends beyond just the capacity. The slow cooker can be used for a wide range of recipes, from entrees and sauces to soups and desserts. The ability to adjust the cooking time and temperature allows for a variety of culinary creations. For instance, you can use it to make overnight oatmeal, bake a cheesecake, or even prepare a lasagna. The possibilities are endless, and the convenience it offers is unparalleled. One of the key selling points of the Elite Gourmet 8.5-quart slow cooker is its ease of use. The controls are straightforward, with a simple dial to switch between the low, high, and keep warm settings. This simplicity makes it accessible even for those who are not particularly tech-savvy. Cleaning up after cooking can often be a daunting task, but not with this slow cooker. The removable stoneware pot and the tempered glass lid are both dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The brushed stainless steel exterior can be easily wiped down with a damp cloth to maintain its pristine appearance. This ease of cleaning ensures that the slow cooker remains in top condition with minimal effort. The Elite Gourmet slow cooker is built to last. The high-quality materials used in its construction, such as the durable stainless steel exterior and the sturdy stoneware pot, contribute to its longevity. The appliance is OL listed, which means it meets stringent safety standards. This certification provides peace of mind, knowing that the slow cooker is safe to use in your home. It's worth noting that during the initial 15 minutes of use, you may notice a minimal smell and some smoke. This is normal and harmless, stemming from the protective substance applied to the heating elements during manufacturing. It dissipates quickly and does not affect the performance or safety of the slow cooker. Conclusion: the Elite Gourmet 8.5-quart slow cooker is a versatile, efficient, and stylish addition to any kitchen. Its large capacity, adjustable settings, and ease of use make it a standout appliance for both everyday cooking and special occasions. Whether you're an experienced cook or a beginner, this slow cooker simplifies the process of making delicious, home-cooked meals. With its robust construction and thoughtful features, it promises to be a reliable kitchen companion for years to come. If you're in the market for a slow cooker that delivers consistent results and offers great value for money, the Elite Gourmet 8.5-quart slow cooker is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.